request Mr. Kamal Hassan to please come up on stage. Let's hear a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you to please stand up and give a standing ovation to our awardees.
Performance in Pushpak, लेकिन इस बार we would definitely look forward to hearing something from you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of FICCI, my friends from Italy. Usually when I come to FICCI stage, I have a written speech prepared. I sat down to understand and the enormity of the situation. I was torn between sheer pride and overwhelming humility. Pride in the fact that deserving and more deserving peers have honored me, and humility in the fact that I am just a part of the whole system, a very small part, and I'm honored that it's FICCI which is endowing this award on me. I'm moved. Instead of talking my gratitude, I'll have to get back to work and start deserving this award from now on. Thank you.
दोस्तों एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for these two very humble personalities on stage, Rekha ji and Kamal Hassan ji. And with that, I can see that the photographers are having a feast capturing this glory.